3 trainers will saddle 14 of the 16 runners in Saturday's fifth running of the richest race in the English-speaking Caribbean, the Diamond Mile at Caymanas Park. The draw for the highly anticipated event was held in the trainer's room at Caymanas Park on Wednesday, and Spencer Darlington was among those in attendance.
Reigning 18-time champion trainer Wayne DaCosta will send out 6 of the 16 runners, including the 2 top contenders, She's a Man-Eater and A Stranger Danger. She's a Man-Eater, who won the 2017 staging but broke away from gate handlers last year and was declared a late non-starter, has drawn post position 10 with Omar Walker aboard for Saturday's event, while her highly touted unbeaten stable companion Stranger Danger will start from gate number 9 with Philip Parchment astride.
Well, I can't complain at all about the draws. I mean, 9 and 10 in the 16 outfield is probably the right post position to draw, so I have no complaints.
DaCosta will also saddle Drummer Boy, who starts from gate 14, Uncle Frank in gate 8, Princess Annie from gate 2, and Summer Sun in gate number 1.
Just saw the draw, so we have to decide now what are the tactics. So I haven't really talked to the jockeys. Unfortunately, Summer Sun is drawn at 1, and thought he had a decent chance of placing.
Leading trainer Anthony Baba Nunes will also present 6 runners, headlined by Triple Crown winner Supreme Soul, to be ridden by former champion jockey Shane Ellis from gate 4, and the vastly improved Tuna Ciliata with former champion jockey Dane Nelson in gate 3.
He came in at a handicap that I think Linton couldn't ride him. Not that Linton has done anything wrong on him, but Linton just can't make that weight. Dane Nelson is an accomplished rider and one of our very best ever produced in Jamaica, so we feel very confident in Dane riding him.
Nunes will also be represented by Houdini's Magic in post position 12, Feroz in 6, Bruce Wayne at gate number 13, and from post position 16, Dante, who eventually got in after Saratoga site was scratched by the vet on a Thursday morning. Nunes spoke with TVJ Sports about the preparation of his top 2 charges, Supreme Soul and Tuna Ciliata.
Tuna Ciliata has speed. I expect him to be in the first 3 or 4 anyway coming out of the chute. Supreme Soul will more than likely be coming from behind going a mile, so at 4 doesn't bother him. Houdini's Magic and Bruce Wayne towards the outside are perfect for them, and Feroz in the middle. I have absolutely no problems.
Top-line trainer Gary Sabrati has 2 entrants in Uncle Vinny in gate 5 and a Sentient in gate 7. The field is completed by Ian Prasad's Superluminal in gate 15 and another bullet from the barn of Patrick Wacky Lynch in post position 11. The Diamond Mile carries a total purse of US $115,000 or approximately 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. Meanwhile, TVJ and the TVJ Sports Network were recognized by the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission at Wednesday's draw for the Diamond Mile for being the television broadcast media partner for last year's staging of the event. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.